They could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper.
Oh, what a great goal.
Elena. The shot's on.
And he's scored!
Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. Passed well. He scored a beautiful goal. He scored a brace. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. Confident pass. Oh, that's great determination. And with the defender now.
Now, that was close. Not much in it there at all.
Here's Kante.
That's a fantastic goal.
What a fantastic goal. It means a lot to the player. Should give him the confidence to grab ball. Good distribution. Moving down the flanks here. They've won the ball back again. Oh, what a pass. Oh, it's hit the post. Let's see that one again.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
That's nicely played. He must score.
What a goal.
No messing about there. Clean finish. That goal, his second of the match. Fazio. That's good link-up play. Some players will be... Glad to hear the half-time whistle. I don't think I've ever seen defending this bad in a long time.
First class as we sat on the park, watching the march. You told me about your pops.
Some new players are on the pitch. Can they make an impact, though, in this second half? And here's a chance. Off the post. And this player's on form. Three of the best for him. Just what they needed. A great goal. Here's a replay of that great goal.
Good ball.
Fazio. Oh, fantastic block. What a well-timed tackle. He steps up to steal the ball. It's Messi with the ball. Finds his teammate. Good save. And the manager's making a change here. Confident pass. They're attacking with the ball now. Now this could be costly. Oh, so close there. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Good defending. Good distribution. Mendes with the tackle. Passed well. Oh, this is good stuff. We're into time added on now.
There we have it. Fantastic performance from this side as they put themselves in place in the next stage of the competition.